Hi guys, tonight's video is on the topic of plant transpiration, and transpiration is how water moves through a plant. And so as we talk about this, I want you to think about what things might affect transpiration. So transpiration is the movement of water through plants and evaporating out the leaves. Water enters a plant at the roots. It gets sucked up the plant through those xylem vessels by the process of capillary action and adhesion and cohesion. So the water's sticking to the xylem vessels. It's also sticking to the other water molecules and traveling up those thin tubes through the plant so that the whole plant gets all the water it needs. And then the water actually exits the plant through little holes in the leaf, and as it evaporates out, that's what we call transpiration. And as it evaporates out, it's pulling up all the water molecules behind it. Those holes in the leaf that water transpires through are called stomata. A single one would be called a stomate, and plural stomata. And so there are these specialized cells called guard cells on either side of the stomata. So the stomate is basically just the hole, but then the guard cells are on either side of it. And what's really cool about guard cells is they can expand and contract to open and close the stomate, because sometimes a plant might want to get rid of water, but other times it might want to conserve water. So when it wants to conserve water, it might close, and then when it's okay to release water, and other gases will also travel out through the stomata, they'll open. So plants have to open their stomata to let some gases out, but the water is also going to leave the stomata also. So the plant is kind of regulating water loss while letting gases that need to come in and out go in and out. So those guard cells are what regulates how much goes in and out. I want you to think about and make a list of now 3 things that you think might influence the amount of transpiration that happens in a plant. So what might increase transpiration or what might decrease transpiration? Remember, transpiration is water evaporating out of a plant, so traveling up through a plant and evaporating out through these stomata openings in the leaf. So make a list of 3 things that you think might affect the rate of transpiration, and we're going to talk about those tomorrow in class. We're also going to start a little lab where we look at different things that can affect transpiration. Have a great night.